In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos and GIF animations in Figma UI designs. This can be an incredibly useful skill, allowing you to enhance your designs with dynamic elements and making your UI interfaces more engaging and interactive. So let's dive in and have a closer look at how you can apply this in your projects. First, let's begin by heading over to Figma, one of the leading collaborative interface design tools. Whether you're a seasoned designer or new to Figma, the process is straightforward. Once you're there, the initial step is to log into your Figma account. Click on Login and enter your details. If you don't have a Figma account yet, take a moment to sign up because you'll need this to access your design files and make the necessary edits. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the home screen. From here, navigate to the home section of Figma. This area is your launching point where you'll find all your design files and projects. Look for the design section and give it a click. This is where the magic starts to happen, as you'll be selecting the specific design file you'd like to work with. After selecting your design file, you'll see a variety of options and features available. Look for the Action tab and click on it. This feature will help you in executing different commands within your interface. Now in the search box, type in Anima. Anima is a powerful tool that allows you to incorporate videos and GIFs directly into your Figma designs. With Anima, the process becomes seamless and highly integrated, giving you the ability to preview the final look even before going live. Once you've searched for Anima, simply click on Run. This command will activate the Anima plugin, making it accessible for you to start adding videos or GIF animations to your project. The Anima interface is user-friendly and guides you step by step on how to import and embed your multimedia files. Ensure your video or GIF is appropriately formatted for a smooth import process. Embedding multimedia within your design can elevate it, providing real-world context and enhancing presentation during client pitches or team demos. However, it's always a good idea to keep in mind the overall design layout and ensure that the added elements do not distract from the essential components of your user interface. Balance is key, as too many animations can overwhelm users. And that's it. You've just learned how to add videos and GIF animations to your Figma designs using the Anima plugin. Experiment with various elements, test how they integrate, and don't hesitate to make adjustments as needed to get the perfect look. With practice, integrating multimedia elements can become a natural part of your design workflow, enabling you to craft dynamic and interactive UI designs effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.